The Templeman Library has over 1 million books, journals and multimedia items, but it's easy to find what you're looking for when you know how. Every item has what we call a class mark, which is sort of like the postcode for that title. To find a book's class mark, use Library Search to look up the item. You'll see a section on each search result called Find It on the Shelf. This tells you the block, floor, row and class mark that you need to be looking for. If you don't know your way around yet, it's a good idea to find a map of the library. We have touchscreens in the Welcome Hall where you can search by the first letter of the class mark. You can also search by subject area if you don't have a specific title in mind. We know from Library Search that the row we're looking for is in B block on floor 2. The map shows us where that is. When you get to the right area, look at the shelf ends to find the right row. Now you know the book is on these shelves somewhere. Lastly, work your way along to find the specific class mark you need. Class marks are shelved incrementally, so it shouldn't be too tricky. Once you've found the book you need, take it to a borrow and renew machine to check it out yourself using your Kent One card. These machines are smart and know which books you're borrowing, even if you put multiple titles on at once. Don't forget to get a receipt, there's an email option too. Now you're ready to take your books home. If you need help looking for a book, you can visit the IT and Library Support Desk in C Block, Floor 1, or you can contact us remotely.